Today we're here in Greece, New York with the Sinskis. We did their roof last week and they would like to give a testimony on their experience. Mr. Sinski,
Good morning.
can you please share your experience with Stellar Roofing?
It was a very good experience. I had other experiences that weren't as good with some roofing companies, but I think Stellar went out of their way of taking care of anything that I needed or wanted. And the job they did was excellent. The crew, including yourself, Antonio, being my project manager, I think you went way out of your way of doing a great job for us. Anytime I needed something or had a question, you were there and you answered all my questions real good, and you knew your stuff real good. The crew that was here, Lewis's crew, they were excellent guys. They worked real fast. They were amazing of the way they did things. One special person there was Anna, who did probably most of the cleaning up of everything. There was nothing left on the ground for me to pick up or my wife to pick up. Everything was like you guys were never here. Did a really great job.
How long did it take for us to do a complete tear off and get your home back the way it was original?
Well, it all happened in one day. They started, I believe, at 7 o'clock, and I believe by 4 o'clock, they were all done.
Can you speak on your interaction with your salesperson that you interacted with?
The salesperson was very thorough when he came by. He noticed that we were missing some shingles up on the roof from the wind. He stopped by, asked if I wanted an appointment to go over the stuff. He went up in the attic and he noticed we had some black mold. That was a big problem, and that was one of the major reasons why I needed the roof done, was the black mold up in the attic.
And today, would you say you were completely satisfied with Stellar Roofing?
If I needed anything else done to my house, either another roof in 20 years or siding, I would definitely go with Stellar, and you would be my project manager.
I appreciate that.
I wouldn't have anybody else but you.
Mr. Sinski, can you just give us your overall thoughts?
I believe Stellar did a great job. If I had to have any other work done on my house, another roof in 20 years or whatever, or siding or windows replaced, I would call Stellar, and I would definitely ask for you as my project manager because of the great job you did.
Thank you, thank you. Another stellar job completed here in Greece, New York, and satisfied customer. Thanks for watching.